Blurry fonts on using Windows default scaling with WSL GUI applications, HiDPI. Is there a way to fix blurry fonts in Linux GUI applications when being run from WSL, Ubuntu 18.04, using the default Windows scaling? Things I have tried so far. With xming. Tried disabling Windows scaling and setting it from Linux side using GTK_P_scale equals 2.5. The problem with this is several things like context menu icons don't play nicely and are often not scaled. Without GTK_P_scale equals 2.5, applications are basically unusable since the text is extremely tiny. Tried installing all the fonts from c:/windows/fonts to c:/program files/xming/fonts/ttf, and running fontscale, couldn't make it work this way either. Tried using vcxsrv, has the same issue. Screenshots. Client. Comparison between Emacs, WSL, and versus code, Windows native. All the resources I have looked up so far. Why are WSL GUI apps rendered with blurry fonts with xming? The answer here is specifically for just Firefox and Electron-based applications. GNOME Terminal Blurry on xming doesn't have anything helpful in particular either other than a suggestion to disable scaling and using something else than xming. The issues running GUI programs on a 4K screen suggests using vcxsrv. The main purpose of doing all this is to be able to run text editors Emacs/HIDE client from WSL. And the reason I cannot install their Windows equivalent is we develop only for Linux. Few system details.
Disclaimer: the following procedure may vary with the actual hardware and system. The settings may change in your setup. First, enable HiDPI settings for the X server executable. Close any running instance of that X server. Open the folder where you have installed the X server, for example vcxsrv, xming, x410 etc. Here I choose d:\my folder, and vcxsrv as example. Open that folder, right-click on vcxsrv.exe for vcxsrv or xming.exe for xming. Choose Properties in GT, Compatibility tab in GT, change HiDPI settings in GT, enable Override HiDPI scaling in GT, change to Application or System Enhanced option. Here is the screenshot looks like after changing the settings. Also do the above steps for xlaunch.exe file. This change will add the following registry values. Next, override GTK plus settings for the X11 environment. This GNOME article has in-depth view of the environment variables. GDK_scale will scale the Windows by specific factor. GDK_P_scale will scale P for scale-aware applications. Enable the settings with the following commands in Bash or other shell. Change those value according to your system. Now execute the X server and the X11 programs. This Reddit thread also helps.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.